If you understand most of this, your English is better than you think. Let's begin. Today, I talk about trying new food. One day, I feel curious. I want to try something different, something new. I go to a small restaurant. The menu looks unfamiliar. I feel a little nervous. I read the menu slowly. I see new names, new ingredients. I do not recognize everything, but I stay open. I want to explore. I choose one dish. I trust my feeling. I place my order. While I wait, I look around. I smell new aromas. The food arrives. It looks different. The colors are bright. I take my fork. I take a small bite. I choose slowly. The taste surprises me. It is new. It is interesting. At first, I am not sure. Then I take another bite. I start to enjoy it. The flavors mix together. Sweet, salty, and spicy. It feels exciting. Trying new food makes me feel brave. It makes me curious. Sometimes I like it. Sometimes I do not. And that is okay. Trying new food is like learning something new. It helps me grow. Now tell me, how much did you understand? 50%? 70%? 90%? Or 100%? If you did not understand some sentences, write them in the comments. And if you like slow stories like this, follow for more.
هل تريد التحدث بالإنجليزية بسهولة؟